شو اخباركم؟ طيبين ان شاء الله. مبارك عليكم الشهر. معنا اليوم شيف مميز. You made it. Yeah. How are you doing?
Good.
يعطيك العافية. We say.
Catching breath, you know.
Yeah.
It's too
All the
far.
way from the Philippines.
Yes.
How are you doing?
Good. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Good.
We are excited today.
Yes, I
What
am.
do you have for us?
Actually, today we were gonna make authentic chicken adobo from Philippines.
Yeah.
And chicken in our country we call it manok.
Manook.
Yeah, manok. So we call it adobong manok. So first, we're gonna put all the chicken. So would you mind to help me? So we're gonna put the garlic.
Okay, garlic.
Salt. We're gonna mix. Then after that, we need to add soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Yes, please. Then a little bit of vinegar. Okay, just add the sugar. Yes, handful of sugar. Then we need to add the oil. There you go. Add little of garlic. Yes.
To the thingy.
There you go.
Maybe a bit more.
Then we need to add the chicken now.
Go ahead.
Is there anything comes up in your mind that you can do a twist for Arab taste?
Actually, I can. Something very authentic.
It's kind of truffle, if I'm not mistaken, isn't
It
it?
is a truffle. We call it faqar. We have a
Can do.
handshake between Philippines and
And
Doha.
Doha, yes,
Yeah?
it is.
Shall we check what happened? I want to check on the faqar. I want to see if it's tender or not.
Check. If needed, need to more balance. So now it's almost cooked. This dish is best complement with rice.
Great.
So we have a rice here.
Regular steamed rice.
We're gonna put here. We will gonna put the adobo. We can put the truffle on the top of the rice. There you go. Yes, then sauce. Just drop here and go. Go direct straight. Then and here as well. There you go. There you go. Perfect.
Fantastic.
Here's your dish. Adobo in Philippines.
Adobo from the Philippines, truffles from Qatar.
Yes.
Today we
So we can
fused-
call it truffled adobo. So are you satisfied with your output?
Satisfied by eyes.
By eyes.
Now we need to taste.
You know, I have mouth watery right now. Speechless.
I think we have a complete success.
Indeed.
It's
Speechless.
a full blend, fantastic dish. We've done a lot of fuses so far.
Yes.
And I can say this is 100% perfectly fused.
Fused from Doha
To
to Philippines.
Thank you very much, Chef.
Good job.
We will see you again.
Sure.
Thank you very much.